So this show really is based off one painting from my last show at View Gallery, which was almost a year ago now. That show was all based on weather and weather patterns, and there was one painting in there that had a black moon in it, and I got a lot of really good response to that painting, and then I spent a lot of time thinking about that painting and trying to figure out what it was about it that worked for me and stuff. So I really decided that the next show was going to focus on the concept of what a black moon was, and kind of the space that it creates and the energy that it creates within a landscape, because I'm a landscape painter. And so I really tried to just take that and focus on it and see what I could come up with. So this body of work is, it's 12, 13 new paintings focusing on the concept of a black moon. Whether there's literally a black moon in there or not, it represents the energy of what it is. You know, like even some of the smaller drawings, there's a piece on the other wall behind you that doesn't have a moon in it, but I kind of feel like this space, it's all about this geometric form and what it does in the sky, and it all comes from watching the sky at night. I've been spending way too much time staring at the sky at night, and so in looking at it, and typically in the way that I do my work, I'm breaking down all the elements of the landscape to the fewest elements that I possibly can. So really in here there's no more than 3 or 4 elements within each painting, and elements being, you know, kind of the mark that it is. Let's say there's a moon, there's a foreground, and there's a background. There might be a horizon and stuff, but it's really trying to take it and break it down to the smallest elements and just letting that image, that single image, create the energy within the space and the feeling of what that whole space is. So I tried to bring that through in pieces with metal, on pieces on wood, even some kind of sculptural pieces, and I think some of the pieces were more successful than others, but I really think the ones that truly do focus on the moon itself really come across the best, because they're obsessively drawn. I mean, there are thousands and thousands of little marks that I do in 4 different directions to kind of eradicate patterns and to create that symbol within that space to be at the most prominent part of what that space is. So after doing this work, I really think that I want to explore the concept of what the black moon is more. I'm really interested in the idea of what's around it, not necessarily the object itself, but for me, I kind of feel like when I'm looking at these black moons, in the same way that you look at the night sky and you see the moon is white and everything else is black, I kind of feel like when I'm looking at these moons, I'm seeing that exact thing. It's just in the opposite way. By looking at that black moon, I feel like I'm seeing all black as opposed to seeing a white moon. And I don't know how to explain that idea, but that idea of how looking at something changes the way you see something, I'm really interested in how a black moon does that within the landscape. And so I'm really hoping that the next body of work is going to really focus on that idea around what all of that is. But this is kind of the second step to getting there.